Abu! Oh, this is all my fault. I should have freed the genie when I had the chance. Abu! Are you okay? I'm sorry, Abu. I made a mess of everything. Somehow, I gotta go back and set things right. Carpet! Abu, start digging! That's it? Yeah! All right! Now, back to Agrabah. Let's go!
Pump me through the water, Cracker! Here! Here's your Cracker! Shove them all the way down your throat! Here! Have lots of...
Stop it! Jafar, leave him alone!
It pains me to see you reduced to this, Jasmine. A beautiful desert bloom such as yourself should be on the arm of the most powerful man in the world. What you say, my dear? Why, with you is my queen.
Never!
I'll teach you some respect!
Now, Genie, I have decided to make my final wish. I wish for Princess Jasmine to fall desperately in love with me.
Master, there are a few addendums, some quid pro quo.
Don't talk back to me, you big blue lout!
You will do what I order you to do, slave.
Jafar. I never realized how incredibly handsome you are.
That's better. Now, Pussycat, tell me more about myself.
You're tall, dark, well dressed,
Ow! Little buddy!
and I love eyebrows.
I can't help you. I work for Senior Psychopath now. What are you gonna do? I'm a street rat, remember? I'll improvise.
Cute little gaps between your teeth.
Go on.
And your beard is so twisted. You've stolen my heart.
And the street rat.
What street rat?
That was...
You! How many times do I have to kill you, boy?
Get the lamp!
No!
Princess, your time is up!
Jasmine!
Oh, nice shot, Joe! Don't toy with me!
Abu!
Things are unraveling fast now, boy! Get the point? I'm just getting warmed up!
Are you afraid to fight me yourself, you cowardly snake?
A snake, am I? Perhaps you'd like to see how snake-like I can be.
him, Rick. Stick that sword into that snake. You stay out of this.
Jafar, he's our man if he can't do it.
Great!
Jasmine, hang on!
Little fool. You thought you could defeat the most powerful being on Earth.
Squeeze him, Jafar. Squeeze him like a... Ah!
Without the genie, boy, you're nothing.
The genie. The genie. The genie has more power than you'll ever have.
What?
He gave you your power. He could take it away.
Al, what are you doing? Why are you bringing me into this?
Face it, Jafar. You're still just second best.
You're right. His power does exceed my own. But not for long.
The boy is crazy. He's a little punch drunk. One too many hits with a snake.
Slave, I make my third wish. I wish to be an all-powerful genie!
All right. Your wish is my command. Way to go, Al.
The absolute power!
What have you done?
Trust me.
The universe is mine to command, to control!
Not so fast, Jafar. Aren't you forgetting something? You wanted to be a genie? You got it.
What?
And everything that goes with it.
No! No!
I'm getting out of here.
Phenomenal cosmic powers.
Come on, you're the genie. I don't want to see you.
Itty bitty living space. Al, you little genius, you.
Get your blasted beak out of my face. Oh, shut up, you moron. Don't tell me to shut
Allow
up.
me. 10,000 years in a cave of wonders ought to chill him out.